delicious bowl of Instapot 3-bean chili. I'm Shelly from plantbasedfoodie.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a comforting bowl of chili that's packed with plant-based protein and bursting with flavor. So to the Instapot, we're going to add in our diced onions and a little water and saute the onions for about 3 to 5 minutes and continue to stir. Next I'm going to add in some diced garlic and stir that all together for about a minute. And then next we'll put in the jalapenos and mix that all together too for about another minute. And then we're going to add in our spices, some cumin and some chili powder. So we're sort of building on our flavors here, and then we'll stir that all together too. Just nicely blend that. And then next we are going to add in our chopped up walnuts. They're optional if you don't want to use any nuts, but they add a nice flavor and texture. And a little bit more water and stir that together. And then we're going to add in some tomato paste and stir that together for about, say, a minute or two and let that brown a little bit. Let that all blend together. And then we're going to add in the diced tomatoes. And then we'll give that a nice stir too. And you'll really start to smell the different flavors starting to all come together here. And when that's all blended, we're going to add into our beans. We're going to add some garbanzo beans, chickpeas, and some black beans. And then we're going to put in our kidney beans. So we have 3 different types of beans. And then we will mix that all together. Stir that all up. And then after that, we are going to pour in about 6 cups of water and then mix that all together too. And then we're going to put the lid on, and then we are going to cook that for 20 minutes in the Instapot and do a natural release. We'll let that the top there just pop up on its own. And then once that's all ready, probably about an hour or so later, we are going to put some of the chili into a Vitamix or blender and blend that together for, say, 20 seconds. That'll help thicken up the chili when we pour that back into the chili. And then just going to pour that all in there, stir that together, and the chili is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more delicious and healthy vegan and plant-based recipes, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check out the description below for a link to the full recipe in this video.